Hi, I'm Rick from the Homesteader store, and today we have the privilege of having the new LS MT2 Series, brand new series. Let's take a look at its features. So let's do a walk around the tractor. First of all, this tractor comes with the new hybrid tires, which has better performance on the road, better performance on turf, and better performance on soft ground. So just excellent. As we walk around the tractor, we have the brand new loader. And on this series, which is, by the way, at the 26, 32, and 42 horsepower units, have the loader will lift at the pins, which when we talk about the pins, it's right here, will lift 2,000 pounds. So this is very high in its class. It comes with a 66-inch bucket. It has the skid steer attach plate that's universal. So you can put any number of grapples, forks, anything on here will fit right on. By the way, this loader is removable. It has a built-in stand right on the side so that it can drop down and you can take it off these pins where it comes off. This operator's platform is fabulous. I'm going to give you an idea. I'm going to jump up here so you get an idea of the room in here. It has some of the modern features, which moves the brake to the left side. You have a double pedal system for the hydrostat. Right next to your right thigh is the loader valve, which is the most ergonomic control position. You have a brand new instrument cluster, excellent. You have back here, this is a electronic engagement of the power takeoff, one of the most modern things. So excellent seat, suspension seat, which is not typical on a standard tractor. Wonderful deluxe features. Let's go around and back and take a look. So this is the rear end of the unit, which is very, very beefy. It has a standard category 1 3-point. It has the 540 PTO in the back. And what's really nice is back here, this is the fuel tank. But what they've done is they put the fuel fill over here on the fender, so it's easy accessible. So excellent features. They really thought this through. So let's wrap things up. So we'd love to have you come, take this for a spin, and then look at the price. One of the best things about this, it is a great value unit. So we'd love to see you. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us. Again, I'm Rick from the Homesteader store. Thanks for watching today.